This Japanese natural mask helps you remove all wrinkles after a short time of use. Stubborn wrinkles will no longer be an obsession. Even when you turn 50, your skin is still very smooth and bright white. The secret is this Japanese natural mask. Just use it following our guide. Your skin will be no wrinkles, become smooth regardless of age. This Japanese beauty mask uses natural ingredients that contain useful elements for your skin. You can also add it to your regular cream, which will accelerate wrinkle removal more quickly. The first ingredient and also is the most important ingredient of this anti-wrinkle mask is rice. Add about 2 full hands of rice into the water and rinse. Rice will remove wrinkles and rejuvenate the skin because it can hydrate the skin very well and make it firmer. It's an anti-wrinkle result, which is attributable to the inositol that it contains, which may stimulate the blood circulation, thus counteract wrinkles. Rice is additionally an excellent exfoliator that gently removes the dead skin cells, permits the face to rejuvenate gradually. After rinsing rice, leave rice water to use after applying the mask. Now, you will need to cook rice and take the boiling rice water. Pour rice into a saucepan with about 250 milliliters. Then, cook it with medium heat until boiling. Should use very little rice. Follow the amount that we recommend, not more. We want to make sure that the mask is freshly created each time because when letting the boiling rice water for a long time, the anti-wrinkle nutrients will disappear. When the rice is soft, turn off the heat and pour the boiling rice water separately into a bowl. And then, take 3 tablespoons of boiling rice water into another bowl. The rest you can pour into the rice water to use later. The next ingredient is ripe avocado. The oleic acid, a healthy fat in avocados, helps reduce inflammation, lowering redness, and also fighting wrinkles, especially deep wrinkles. We will need 2 tablespoons of ripe avocado for this anti-wrinkle mask. Place it into the boiling rice water bowl. The rest of the avocado you can mix with a little milk. Eat it, very good for health. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey. Honey has vitamin E, antioxidants. It will help soak up bacteria that can lead to wrinkles on the face. Finally, add 1/2 tablespoon of water to the bowl. At this time, stir the ingredients until the mixture is homogeneous. Now, wash your face thoroughly with warm water. Leave your face dry and apply this beauty mask in your wrinkled skin area. Leave the mask on your face for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then wipe it with a cotton ball and wash your face again with rice water that you saved earlier. In this way, you will exfoliate and brighten your skin. Apply this Japanese mask 2 times a week. After a short time, all wrinkles disappear and the skin is much younger. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.